Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, it's by a brand called RAVPower. And pretty much what this is the power delivery USB-C wall charger that you can use wherever you guys want to bring it. So you guys can use it at home, in the office, when you guys are traveling, wherever you guys want to bring it with. That's up to you guys at the end of the day. So first thing first, I'm actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like and what comes out of the package first. So when you guys first open the package itself, you guys can see they have this kind of like opener here that's really cool because it's really easy to kind of remove just like that. So we take that part out. And then you can see that they actually provide you the actual device right here, which I'll show you guys in a second. I want to show you guys what else is on here first. They provide you some user manual and the warranty card right here. And then they also provide you a cable, and the cable itself is actually really high quality. If you guys look at it, it's super durable and it's like really nice how they provide you this little strap for it. But in terms of the cable itself, it is a USB-C to USB-C cable. So which is perfect for people who want to use it to charge their like laptops or like devices that has a USB-C input output. So that's pretty much everything that's come in the package itself. Now let's take a look at the actual product itself. So when we take a look right here, you guys can see that they have the little logo right here. The overall product itself feels super nice, super high quality. If you guys watch my old videos, you guys know that I reviewed a lot of products from this brand of RAVPower, ranging from like power banks, wall chargers, wireless chargers, like the list goes on. There's just so many products that this brand makes that is such high quality and works so well. But let's take a look at right here. So you can see that there's two outputs right here, which is both power delivery USB-C outputs. There's a little indicator light that shows you guys when the product is charging and everything. On the back side, you can see that they have this little plug outlet that you can use to plug it into the wall and everything to power it up. And what's really cool is the fact that it can actually fold up like that, so it's very space efficient. And if you guys are wondering how much power it can generate at a time, it can generate up to 90 watts, which is a lot of power to charge your laptops and everything else. So the only way for us to actually find out when it actually works and how well it works is to actually go test it out. So let's go do that first and come back and talk more about the product afterward. Alright, so here we have the product plugged in. You guys can see there's a blue indicator light on. So let's give it a try and see how it works and when it actually works or not. So we plug this part in first. Alright, so that's in. We'll plug in our other side of the cable right here. Alright, so you guys heard that little beep, and you guys can see that it's charging. So this one is charging, but let's plug in another cable and see when it actually charges at the same time as well. Alright, so we have our second cable plugged in right here. If you can see the two cables right there, side by side. I'm going to charge this power bank right here to see when it actually works or not. Let me plug it in first. Alright, so it's plugged in. You guys can see the indicator light right here. So that's how you guys know it's charging. So this one is charging right now, and then this one is also charging as well. If you guys can see the cable right here. So both of them are charging at the same time, but if you guys notice, it's not like charging super fast or anything, or you guys can't even tell when it's charging super fast or not. And the reason why, because if you guys look right here, is 100% already. So it can't really charge anything when it's 100%. So I probably had to do like an update video to talk about how well it works and what's the charge time and everything as I use it more and more. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the test of products and see that actually does work and actually works really well. I love the fact of how you guys can charge multiple products at the same time. So two devices at the same time using the power delivery that's built in. So that way you can actually charge both your laptops really fast. Based on the information that they provided, you guys can actually charge your MacBook Pro 15-inch in less than 2.5 hours. I believe they said 2.3 hours for that one. And if you guys are charging your 13-inch one, that one actually takes you guys less than 2 hours, roughly around 1.8 hours. So most likely I'm going to have to keep testing it out and see how well it performs over time. But if you guys want me to do like a quick update video in the future once I use it more and more to see how long it actually takes to charge like your MacBook Pro 15-inch, then let me know in the comment section down below and I'll most likely make an update video regarding that question. And probably the most important thing that you guys all want to know, does it have all the protection in here? Such as the overcharge protection, over voltage protection, and all those different type of protection, is it in here? Yes, they have all this protection in here. So that's pretty much everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did the quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So obviously I have to say that this is actually really worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are planning to use it a lot when you guys are going to work, going traveling, and you guys want to be as compact as possible. Like if you guys look at this, it's so compact, it's crazy. Like you guys can fold this open and close and makes it that much more compact. You guys can just put this in your pocket and just go wherever you guys want to. But obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback about the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout day we have